Revolutionizing the future of textile manufacturing. PM MITRA Parks leading the way. India's textile industry has long been a cornerstone of the nation's economy, contributing significantly to the country's growth and development. In the year 2021-22, India's textile exports reached a record high of $44.4 billion. With huge opportunities in this sector, the Indian government, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, is committed to achieving the target of $100 billion in textile exports by 2030. Today, we are proud to announce a historic step towards achieving this goal. Introducing the Mega Integrated Textile Regions and Apparels, PM MITRA Parks for the textile industry, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Parks will be set up in 7 states, namely Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. The PM MITRA Parks will create an integrated textile value chain, right from spinning, weaving, processing, dyeing and printing to garment manufacturing at a single location. This will reduce logistic costs and enhance the competitiveness of the textile industry by helping it achieve economies of scale. The parks will also encourage global players to participate in Make in India, boosting investments, driving innovation, generating employment and establishing India as a premier destination for textile manufacturing and exports. These parks will have world-class industrial infrastructure, including plug-and-play facilities, training and research facilities, and will offer an opportunity to create an integrated textile value chain at one location. These parks will also provide utilities, reliable power supply, water availability and wastewater disposal system, an effective single window clearance and a conducive and stable industrial textile policy. The PM MITRA Parks represent a unique model where the centre and state governments will work together under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to build a resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. The PM MITRA Parks, steadfast towards goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, will attract 70,000 crore rupees in investment and generate 20 lakh jobs, making it a historic and crucial step in firmly establishing India as the premier global hub for textile manufacturing and exports.